AyeBub's Car Life, and the car life is whatever you make it. We're back at Don Franklin's again. Don Franklin Nissan. It's frankly snowing right now, like I said, and I got a beauty for y'all. Hey, and we're doing this review. Don't quote me on everything. I'm not the best. I'm just saying I'm not the best at all. We're just gonna run through this, trying to help it make it a better car experience, shopping experience, whatever, and we just gonna have fun looking at this car. So let me show this to you right now. We have a 2019 Chevy Camaro. We got a 2019 Chevy Camaro. Take a look at this. Y'all let me know what you think about that. Go ahead and hit that like button right now. Hit that subscribe button right now. Hey, I'm out here in the cold, so this is crazy right now. But I'm gonna get in right now to show y'all. Everything is automatic lock. Instead of they move the door opener up here, because on the other Camaros they're down lower. On this one, you got automatic rear view mirrors. You can turn them on your own. Automatic windows. Here's the door here. Let me open it up so you can see. You can pop your trunk from right here. You got like a little holder right here. Then you got like a little speaker right here, as you see. Then you come around. This is nice. Look at the big air vents in here. It's crazy. You spin them, close them, open them up. It's very spacious. This is more like sitting in a coupe, but it's still tight in here because, you know, I like the big screen, how they added a big screen on there. We got 200 on the dash for y'all. Crazy. All right, then we got all your light switches right here, automatic. Well, automatic, you know, insert turn signal and stuff's over here on this side. Bright lights here. Then you got your, on this side, you have your windshield wipers and control your windshield wipers over here on this side, as you can see right there. You got your paddles right here, shifters, the paddle shifters on both sides. So if you want to go manual, and then got cruise control, and you can control that over there, speed it up, slow it down. That'll set it. That'll just take it off. You know, nice leather steering wheel. I like the steering wheel, how it's got that little flat part right there. That's nice. I love the little SS thing right there. We come over here. You can hold it right here. Turn up your volume. Then you can thumb through all the controls up here with these. You can access your phone or whatever on there. And I like how they got the nice little screen right here. This is a nice, smooth little touch they got on here. It ain't too much. It's like smooth. It ain't a lot. You got your leather going across there. I love the screen. Then you got your nice little air hose right here as well. Got your air, everything's, you can see by these dials, you can turn your heat this way if you want your heat up on this way, or you just turn it this way and turn it on cool. And this one's a, let's see, right here. We got to push to start, put your foot on the brake, push to start. And right here, if you want to come to your face, your feet, defrost. And that's to turn your air on. There's the power button, basically. Automatic AC and run straight through. And this is for your front defrost. That one's for your feet and the defrost. And that one's for your back one. And it's got like a little cubby type deal right here. Like how they got that nice little Camaro touch right there. Then you got your modes right here. You can thumb through your modes. And I'm sure to show up either, I'm not too sure, either to show up here, or I'm sure to probably just show up here on this one. Your parking brake. Then you got a cigarette lighter right here. There's your little glove department down here. As you see, well, the cigarette lighter, I don't know if you could see it a while ago. They're not leather seats, so there's this one ain't got leather seats in it. And with Camaros, they got small rear view mirrors. So I mean, not rear view, sun visors, small sun visors in here. And here's your little lights for both sides. And then this one's got a sunroof. As you can see, got a nice little sunroof on it. And yeah. And then we come right here, 2 cup holders right here. And then you push this little button. You open it up. You just got to look. Somebody got a spoon in there. It's got 2 USBs, SD card, and an auxiliary cord down there. So yeah, that's for that. And as you know, they added this little feature right here in the middle. I didn't know that was in the new ones. Some of the older ones don't have that one. So ain't much room in the back if you want a lot of room in the front. So yeah, here's the back seats. Ain't too much to show, but yeah, this thing is just full of power. You know, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah. Hey, I love Camaros. And I'm hungry and I need to go get me some to eat.